Hi, I'm Danny Ecker with your Chicago Business Today midday report. Sears Holdings stock took a dip this morning on news of more bumps in the road for the retailer. Late yesterday, Moody's Investors Service lowered Sears ratings into junk bond territory on the expectation that it'll post a significant 2011 operating loss. Now it appears Sears chairman Edward Lampert shed some of his hedge fund's more successful holdings late last month in order to meet client redemptions, holding on to the fund's entire stake in Sears. Lampert's ESL investments sold shares of AutoZone and AutoNation, which each got significant boosts last year, as Sears shares plummeted 56%. The news comes as the retailer continues to close Sears and Kmart stores nationwide, aiming for as many as 120 locations. Earlier this week, Sears tapped Brookstone CEO Ron Boyer to help turn the ship around as the company's new chief merchandising officer. CME Group could be in the hunt to acquire the London Metal Exchange as the overseas trading arena seeks out bids for a sale. This according to a report from Reuters. The report estimates bids could be valued at more than $1.5 billion. Yesterday, CME reported a dip in December trading volume, mainly due to the collapse of MF Global and the euro debt crisis. CME interest rate futures averaged 3.5 million contracts a day for the month, down 30% year over year as money remains on the sidelines waiting for positive global economy news. Still, the drop was just a cloud at the end of a record-setting year for CME, which averaged about 13.5 million contracts per day in 2011, a 10% jump from the year before. Of course, the exchange also got a boost last month from the state's tax break to help keep its headquarters in Illinois. Well, sales at Walgreens stores open at least a year rose in December after analysts predicted a slight drop for the month. That was despite fewer customers coming through the doors as the average purchase rose more than 1%. It also included a rise in pharmacy sales despite the company's dispute with Express Scripts over reimbursement rates. Walgreens let its contract with Express Scripts expire at the end of the year, saying it would give up revenue it gets from that contract rather than continue filling unprofitable prescriptions. And finally, changes in the air at a West Loop restaurant co-owned by Michael Jordan. 160blue will close at the end of this week after 15 years in business just around the corner from the United Center, but will reopen as a new restaurant in late spring. Cornerstone Restaurant Group, which operates Jordan's restaurants along with affiliate Jump Higher LLC, called it a bittersweet move. Last fall marked the return of the MJ name to a Chicago restaurant as Cornerstone debuted the higher-end Michael Jordan Steakhouse in the Intercontinental Hotel. And that's what's happening in Chicago business today. Stick with chicagobusiness.com for more business headlines throughout the day. Thanks for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.